Hello everyone, Splash Damage Gaming, and I'm gonna bring you a logo tutorial today on how to make this logo. This is just one for the tutorial, nice simple. I'll be making more GFX, like better, more stuff in it and stuff like that. So if we get rid of everything now, we go to File, New in Adobe Photoshop. We want the width 800, height 800, resolution just keep that. Okay, and that's the size of your logo for YouTube. So then on the background we want filter, render, lighting effects, and we want to make that wider, like a little bit, and to the shape that you've got a little sun in the bottom corner basically. Can we make that red? Can we make it darker? No, we don't want the intensity that much. Oh no. We'll have it like that. We want it about 55. The intensity 26. Focus wide is 55. Gloss, what's this? Keep that at 0. Let's see metallic, or shall we see plastic? 32 metallic. Exposure under, over. Keep the exposure at 0. Positive. Oh, we keep that at 0. And yeah, that's it. Guys, accept. Okay, that. So then you have a nice little light like this. I mean, you can make the ball bigger and stuff like that, but I don't really like it. Like, too big. Let's get out of that a bit. So in this, what we'll do, we'll just get rid of that. Click that, get rid of that. File, we'll close this one. No, we got the splash one here. What we'll do is delete it. Delete that. So we go to MoGraph Text in C4D, Mo Text. Change the depth of the text to 100. Call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it this one Splash. Don't know why I put it as a capital P. We go to the Align. Change it to middle. Font. Choose whatever font you want. I'm gonna go for X iRod. Let's just zoom out of that for a bit. No, we'll go back to the text I showed you with. Sorry guys, sneeze. Velocity. We'll have that one. I really like that one. Let's zoom in a bit. We'll go up to Mo Text and rename this Splash. Sorry guys, fixing my mic. I'm recording with my Turtle Beach. And then what we want to do is hit Control C and then Control V. Change the depth of Splash.1 to, we'll say about 70. We'll go for 70. And then what we'll do, we'll rotate this around so you see it side on, and click Splash.1 up here, and drag that so it's in the middle and you've got the same amount of gap on each edge. So if we see that, you got about 2 centimeters there and 2 centimeters there. Let's line that up like that, and go to Splash.1, and you want to go to caps, start cap, which is the top one, and change that from cap to filler cap. End, you want to change from cap to filler cap as well. And then on the start one, which is the first one you changed, go to steps 3 and radius 7, and do the same for the others. 3 and 7, and leave that as convex and leave that as 60. leave everything else basically. And then you get a nice bulky edge around like that. So I'll show you how to make these two materials down here. So if we just double click that, what you want is to click colour and make it a black. Then you want to check specular and you want to check specular colour. So then when you've got a black ball like that, you want to click specular colour and change it to a red. What's glow? Shall we see glow? Oh, that looks quite good. Let's see it like that. And drag it into the circle in the middle of the P, so you get it like that, with a nice black and red outline around the white. And you want to drag, basically all this is uncheck everything and just go to the colour and make it a blue or whatever colour you like, and just drag that onto the white. So now we have a nice splash. So now what we want to do is render width 1280, height 720 pixels, resolution 72, sorry, and you want to save it in a folder. Make sure the format is a PNG, and this alpha channel box will be unchecked. What you want to do is check that, and yeah, that's it for that letter anyway. So then what you want to do is hit this render button here, and you get a nice glow around the edge here, see? It's really nice. So that's the one I made there, and here's the nice one I make here. So then after you've made that, you want to go to Photoshop. As you can see, mine's a white piece of paper because it's what can I say, it's a shortcut, that's it. So then you want to open where you saved it. I saved it a splash, nice red glow. We'll pull that into this. It fits perfect. Nice splash there. Now we go make the damage. I mean, you can show transform controls and like rotate it and like stuff like that, but I like mine nice and simple, and for some reason it won't go straight again, so I'll just make it straight. Say about that, that's straight. Yeah, then you move, you apply, uncheck show transform controls up here, and then you click there. Remember, if you have any questions on this bit, just post a comment. File, well, now we want to go to File, New in Cinema 4D, and basically just do the same but for damage. I'll go through it really quick and we're doing it on time. Yeah, I've got to hurry up on this bit. So MoGraph, MoText, Object, Depth 100, Text, we'll call it Damage, Alignment Middle, Font Velocity, zoom out of that a bit, Caps, oh no, we don't do nothing like that. We'll call this Dam up here. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, but you can pause the video. I've just got shortage on time. Control V. Oh no, I didn't copy that, so let's delete that. Click Dam, Control C, Control V. Let's go to Object, Depth 70. Yeah, everything's okay on that. Cap, fill it, cap, cap, fill it, cap. 3, 7. Oh, 3, 7. Rotate it around. Try and get it in the middle, like so. So yeah, I'll be uploading a lot of tutorials and a bit of gameplay. Oh, here we go. I'll be able to show you how to make this. So you double click down here, and then you hold Control, click this, and drag it next to it so you get a copy. And you double click that, and this is how you make the black ball with the radius, with the specular glow. So pull all these arrows right down to the bottom so you get a black, and as you can see, that is checked, specular. So then we want to check specular colour, and click on it. Then you want to just move the green and the blue down so you get a nice red, and you click glow, and you drag that into the circles on the behind. And this, I think you know how to make the blue. You just move the red and green, and we can pull that, and then uncheck the specular. What happens if we put a bit of glow on it? Does that look good? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's the exact same like. And now you render it as output. We'll put 1280. Actually, I'll make this one 1000 by 700, just so it's a bit smaller because it's a big word. And then you want to make it a PNG, which is under PICT and above Radiance HDR. You want to check alpha channel, and you want to click these 3 dots and save it. I'll save it as damage. Yes, I will overwrite it. Oh, yeah, it's done. Now we render it. Yes. And you get a nice glow in both of them there, which is really nice. Out of Photoshop, file, open, and then open damage, which is a big word as you can see. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to check show transform controls and just make it smaller, and then drag this here, so then we get that. So we get a nice splash damage here. So yeah, I'll put this as my icon now so you can see it. YouTube, let's go there. Wait, we gotta save it. So you click File, Save As, save it to your desktop, make it format as JPEG, and I'll call it First TUT, First Tutorial. Save. How are we doing on time? I've got to hurry up quick. And you want to put the quality to 12, and there you have it. Browse, go to your desktop, find it, and then you click Save Changes, and yeah, there you have it. I've got to hurry up and finish this video now. So for Save Changes, hurry up. And yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, peace.